KB is proud to be spread in 9 states today, starting from Jammu and Kashmir in the north all the way to Maharashtra. We are spread across geographies and types of construction, including high-end residential, high-rise residential projects, commercial projects, industrial projects, institutional, hospitals, and infrastructure. Hi, I'm Rahul Behel, Managing Director, Krishna Build Estates Private Limited, and we are at the site Bharti Family Entertainment Center at the Aerocity in Delhi. This project is a landmark under construction. It's 2.5 million square feet, spread over 3 basements and 4 floors, a mixture of RCC with steel design at the terrace. It has a massive atrium and a huge conventional hall with beams spanning more than 30 meters. At this site, the most complex challenge is the geography we are operating in. Being close to the airport, it has humongous security and safety constraints under which we have to execute. That, along with the complexity of the atrium and the conventional hall, is creating a marquee situation and project for the clients. We are extremely proud to execute this project. Being a complex project as per design, as per the number of floors to be executed, the different types of construction to be followed, we are extremely proud to create this iconic structure in the heart of Delhi, close to the airport, which shows KB's capability to build teams to execute complex projects of supreme quality, following the highest level of safety standards and doing it pan-India.
This is Chinmay Mandal. I'm working as a Vice President Projects. I'm working with KB since 2022. Almost 4 years I'm going to complete with the KB. My job is to operate all the projects assigned to me, and every project is having a unique strategy. Thus, everyone engaged in the project having their defined roles and responsibilities. Every project's setup is almost same. There is the admin department, there is the store department, there is a quality department, there is a safety department, there is the executive team. So everyone is assigned for their specific job and they are doing.
I am Sunil Kaul, Deputy General Manager Projects. Currently I am at Bharti Aerocity project. Total plan area of the project is 20,000 square meters. I have started my career 8 years ago. I have started from Godrej 106. After that we have done many projects together at KBE. But the most memorable one was Godrej 106, which was a conglomerate project. It was having precast concrete walls along with the Maiman shuttering. So it was a bit learning and bit tedious and bit tough project for us, but we have completed that project timely. It was one of the best projects in the Delhi NCR. So we have handed over that project. After that, we have also done ISB Mohali.
मैं रविंदर कुमार, यहाँ सीनियर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर। मैं केबी में जुलाई 2014 से हूँ। मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा रहा जी, क्योंकि जो है अगर 12 साल मैंने इनके साथ, मैं इस कंपनी के साथ जुड़ा हूँ तो अच्छा है, तभी जुड़ा हूँ। इस प्रोजेक्ट की खासियत है कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो 2 मेन पार्ट है, एक है अपना एट्रियम, एक कन्वेंशनल हॉल, जो अभी हम जिसकी जो स्टील आप सामने देख रहे हैं बधी पड़ी है। इसमें हमारा ये काम चल रहा है। इसमें जो 4 पीटी बीमें हैं, जिसकी लेंथ जो 33 मीटर 200 है, जिसमें से 3 का पीटी का काम हो चुका है। अगर हम बात करें इसकी स्टील की, तो इसमें फुली स्टील जो हमने 32 की 32 डाया की स्टील हमने इसमें जो है प्रोवाइड किया है।
मेरा नाम रंजीव कुमार कुशवाहा है। मैं एज ए सेफ्टी मैनेजर यहाँ पे साइट देख रहा हूँ। हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे चीज़ें वर्कर्स के लिए और स्टाफ के लिए किया हुआ, जैसे जैकेट, हेलमेट, सेफ्टी शूज, ये बेसिक चीज़ें दिया हुआ है। उसके बाद मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ भी मिला हुआ है। बाकी साइट पे मॉनिटरिंग प्रॉपर होता है कि हमारा आदमी यहाँ पीपीज में ही काम कर रहा है कि नहीं। केबी का मोटो है, एक पॉलिसी है कि जैसा हमारा आदमी घर से आया हुआ है 0 इंसिडेंट के साथ, वैसे ही घर को जाए, उनको एक खरोच भी ना आए। जैसा सुरक्षित आया है वैसे अपने परिवार के पास दोबारा घर पे जाए।
मेरा नाम बलवंत सिंह है। मैं इस साइट का एडमिन HR हूँ। मैं करीब 3 इयर्स, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3 इयर्स कम्प्लीटेड इन दिस साइट। जो साइट है ये साइट बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग रहा है और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है। यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है। यहाँ पे हमने 24 आवर्स लेबर के लिए एम्बुलेंस की सर्विस प्रोवाइड कराई है, जो तत्काल क्विक रिस्पांस देती है। हमारे पास हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, ताकि उनको रिक्वायरमेंट हो एडमिट की तो एडमिट करते हैं।
Our entry into carrying out construction of iconic factories like the pharma factory for Orchid in Jammu and Kashmir, the Design Co factory in Moradabad, the electronics factory in Pune, along with our already completed factory projects from Krishna Maruti in Kharkhoda, stand testament to our experience and diversity to be able to execute these projects to the best of our abilities and complete satisfaction of our clients. At KB, we put a lot of emphasis in building trust, which is best shown by our repeat orders from the same clients spread across their geographies. Even if there are different types of projects, we are extremely proud to be associated with companies like Godrej, Bharti, Hero Homes, M3M, Smart World, to name a few.